Welcome to Emilak Online tutorial. Let us look at this logarithmic equation, and here it reads that a plus b all over a minus b equals the log of 6 to the base of 2. Okay, we are requested to find a all over b. So how do we get started? It's just very easy. To solve for a and b, it's very easy. Let's get started. Now there is a rule in algebra where if you have, let's say, x all over y equals c all over d, and this rule says that the ratio of this equals the ratio of this. Okay, the rule tells us that we'll find the ratio of their sum and difference. What does that imply? It implies that x will now be plus y, then all over x minus y, then equals c minus d all over this is c plus d, then c minus d. Okay, in some cases it is being called componendo and dividendo. Okay, all right, so we'll be applying this rule, and let me rewrite the equation here. We have a plus b all over a minus b, then equals to, now take note that log 6 base 2 is the same as saying log 6 base 2 all over 1, right? Okay, so since we'll be applying this rule, let's do this. This implies that this is x over y, while this is c all over d. Okay, so the whole of this is x, the whole of this is y, the whole of this is c, and the whole of this is 1. So let's then apply the rule. We then have here that a plus b, which is x, then plus, take note, y, and our y here is a minus b, then here you have a minus b, then all over, then here you have x, which means you're repeating this again. So here you have a plus b, then minus, take note, y, and this is our y. So here we have a minus b, then equals, now we will apply the same rule to this, so which gives us that log 6 base 2, then plus 1, then all over log 6 base 2 minus 1. Okay, so let's simplify. For this we have a plus b, then plus a minus b, then all over a plus b, then minus a plus b. Why plus? That's because this minus affects this minus. Okay, then equals, now since here we have 1 and same here, and take note we are dealing with base 2, so all we just need to do is to convert 1 to log 2 base 2. Okay, so since we know that according to the law of logarithm that log a base a is what? 1. Okay, so there we have log 6 base 2, then plus log 2 base 2, then all over log 6 base 2, then minus log 2 base 2. Okay, so from the left hand side we can see that a plus a will give us 2a. Then you can see that we have b here and its opposite here, so which means they can clear out. This clears off this. Okay, so the same at the denominator here we have a and its opposite, which means we need to clear them off. So here this clears off this, so we have here a plus a will give us what, 2a. Then all over b plus b here will give us what, 2b. So at this point, according to the law of logarithm, that when you have log a plus log b, this gives us log ab. Then applying that rule here, then we will have that 6 times 2 will give us 12. So here we have log 12 base 2. Okay, then for this, stay with the law of logarithm. If you have log a minus log b, this gives us log a over b. Okay, if you apply that rule here, which means 6 divides 2, so that will give us 3, right? So here we have log 3 base 2. Now since we have a common term or factor here, so let's just clear 2 off. So we are left with a all over b, then equals, now at this point, since both this this logarithm and this logarithm is having the same base, so what we just need to do is to take the argument. This is 12, you write here, then this is 3, you write it as the base. So a all over b equals log 12 base 3. Final answer. As simple as that. Alright, thank you. If you love what I've just done, please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.